Hello everyone, welcome to another video. I was having these dining chairs for a while, and as you can see, the vinyl on them starts to show its age. So I've ordered some new vinyl online, and today I'm gonna reupholster them. To make it easier, I'll remove the top on them and start reupholster. I have a couple of screws around here that are holding the pad. Remove those and take the pad out. I've rolled a new vinyl, put the old seat on top to see how much material I'll need to cut. I'm gonna leave some excess to make sure I have enough. I decided to keep the old padding and the old vinyl on, and I'm gonna reupholster over it. I've cut down my material. Looks like I have enough. Now it's time to add some staples. I'll be adding here one in the middle. I'll stretch the material here. Looks like I have some issues with the stapler. It's not stapling how it should. I have an electric one as well, but I cannot find it, so I'm gonna have to stick with this one. The most important is to make sure you stretch everything, and the tricky part is with the corners. So you can do like this, stretch it, and add a staple exactly here in the middle. So next you can stretch the material, add a staple, and go to the corners. On this corner, I'm gonna have to stretch it like this. I'm gonna add a staple here. Okay, so as you can see, it's stretched pretty nicely. Maybe more. I'm gonna cut down some of the material here to release some of the pressure on it and to make sure it stretches how it should. Add a staple here. Yeah, so looks like I'm gonna ruin everything because of this stapler. Not looking too bad. I'll remove some of these staples. Doesn't look very pretty on the inside, but on the outside is not too bad, so I'm happy. I'll do the same with this corner here. Try and stretch it as much as I can. Cut some of the excess. The back is not very pretty, but once assembled, so should not be very visible. Overall, I'm happy. Now let's put the seating back and add the screws. So this is the chair assembled. Looks pretty good. I'm happy how it turned up. Probably I'm gonna do a better job on the next ones. So if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe and see you on the next one.